Hi there. Today we'll be making hydrogen. There are two ways of making hydrogen. One way is using salt water and then stripping the particles out of the atom from, because H2O has two hydrogen and one oxygen. And there's also the chemical way, which is the way I'm doing today. So what you'll need for this is you'll need some sodium hydroxide. I think that's backwards. Sodium hydroxide. A fire extinguisher or any type of bottle. I'd suggest something made of metal or aluminum. Some aluminum foil. I think that's made of metal. Yeah, some aluminum foil. And that's and some water. So first off, you would want to fill the bottle with water, of course. Oh no. Actually, first off, you actually want to pour the sodium hydroxide in. Now, don't put too much in, because too much is never good. Okay, now I think that should be good. No. I think that should be good now. After that, no, maybe a little bit more. Okay, there we go. So after that, you want to put some water in. I have highly pressurized water here. I'll move the switch for that. Now, when that's done, okay, then while that's happening, you would want to make some balls with some aluminum, and you would want to put that in. Now there's tremendous heat in this, so you want to close it right away. It's causing a lot of heat. Now I'm afraid it might explode right now, but I think it should be fine. You want to cool it down. So as you can see, we'll wait till the gauge is rising until it's full. But okay, now this is all cooled. I think this is the maximum I reached. I did expel some gas out, so I think it was around full, and now it went down a bit. Of course, there's a small tank, so it can't hold much. But now to confirm that it's actually hydrogen, I'm gonna try lighting this on fire. Okay, now I believe I have made hydrogen. Now I will try to test if it lights on fire. As you can see, just light on fire.